Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll cook delicious and crispy oven roasted potatoes. This crunchy on top and gentle from inside potatoes gonna be a perfect duet for our epic burger, baby back ribs and other dishes which recipes you may find on our channel. A recipe you will find in suggested video. We will need about 6-7 medium-sized potatoes, ground paprika, ground white pepper, dry fresh thyme, salt, black pepper to taste, and extra virgin olive oil. Let's get started. Preheat the oven up to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut each potato into large wedges, about 5-6 wedges per potato. For this recipe I prefer to use young potatoes and bake them peel on, but you could use old potato as well, just peel it before cooking. Subscribe and you never miss our new video recipes. Mix together paprika, white pepper and thyme, 1 teaspoon of each. Put potato wedges into a big bowl, sprinkle with spicy mixture and mix well. For more delicious recipes, go to our website rednumber1.com. Cover oven tray with aluminium foil. Place potato wedges in one layer on the oven tray. Season with freshly ground black pepper and drizzle with olive oil. If you have any questions about this recipe, leave them in the comments below this video. Season with sea salt to taste and bake about 20-30 minutes until golden and crispy. This delicious roasted potatoes is a perfect companion for burger, baby back ribs and other dishes which recipes you may find on our channel. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us big thumbs up and subscribe.